In the lively town of Playville, where laughter echoed through the streets and giggles were as common as the sunshine, Lila and her extraordinary dog, Fluffly, embarked on a new adventure. Determined to keep their friends active and engaged, Fluffly hatched a plan for an incredible game: Superhero Sight Word Rescue. Gathering their enthusiastic friends, Benny, Zoe, Giggly Gus, and the rest, in the heart of Playville Park, Fluffly unveiled the mission. With a wave of his magical tail, he scattered colourful sight word cards all around the park. The children, donned in makeshift superhero capes and masks, were ready for action. Fluffly explained the rules with animated barks and excited leaps. Each sight word card, scattered like treasures, was a mission for the little superheroes to rescue. Benny, in his dynamic red cape, darted towards the first sight word card that read, Jump. With a triumphant shout, he rescued the word, and the other superheroes cheered. Zoe, her cape fluttering like a golden sunbeam, gracefully grabbed the card with Sun. Giggly Gus, in his purple superhero gear, wiggled his way towards Wiggle. The park became a lively scene of laughter and learning as the superheroes rescued sight words, one by one. Fluffly, the wise game master, encouraged them with cheerful barks and wagging tail. The superhero sight word. Rescue continued, with the children dashing, skipping, and twirling around the park, rescuing words with every energetic move. Lila, with her trusty sidekick Fluffly by her side, gleefully participated, ensuring that the superheroes were having the time of their lives. As the sun began to dip below the horizon, the tired yet elated superheroes gathered for a celebration. Fluffly, with a proud glint in his eyes, wagged his tail in approval. The children, now armed with a new set of sight words, realized that learning could be an exciting adventure, especially when led by their magical friend, Fluffly. And so, in the magical town of Playville, under the canvas of the twilight sky, Lila and her superhero friends discovered the joy of learning through the superhero sight word rescue. Each rescued word, each heroic leap, and each burst of laughter became a cherished memory in the heart of their playful town. Once upon a sunny day in the vibrant town of Playville, where laughter danced through the air like colourful butterflies, Lila and her magical dog, Fluffly, were on a mission. Their goal? To create a game that would whisk their friends away from screens and into the heart of excitement. Fluffly, with his wagging tail and shimmering fur, conjured a magical adventure named the Jungle Safari Number Hunt. With a wave of his enchanted paw, toy animals appeared, each tagged with a mysterious number. Fluffly barked with joy, and his friends, including Benny, Zoe, Giggly Gus, and Lila, gathered in anticipation. In the heart of Playville, the living room of Lila's cozy home transformed into a jungle of wonders. The children, ready for their safari adventure, listened intently as Fluffly explained the rules. With simple words and animated gestures, he conveyed the excitement of the hunt. "Ready, set, go!" barked Fluffly as the children dashed around the room, their eyes gleaming with anticipation. Lila, clutching her safari hat, spotted a tiger with a big 1 on its tag. "One!" she exclaimed, holding it up for everyone to see. Benny, with a lion labelled 2, proudly paraded his find. Zoe, in her explorer gear, giggled as she discovered a monkey marked 3. Giggly Gus, with a mischievous grin, scooped up an elephant with a 4 tag. The jungle safari number hunt continued, transforming Lila's living room into an epic jungle expedition. Fluffly, the master of the game, added an extra layer of excitement by occasionally changing the numbers on the animals, keeping the children on their toes. As the children tallied their numbered animal treasures, the room echoed with laughter and the joy of discovery. Fluffly, with his gleaming eyes, marvelled at the success of the jungle safari number hunt. The children, now proud safari explorers, had not only counted, but also learned the magic of numbers through play. And so, in the heart of Playville, under the imaginary canopy of the jungle safari number hunt, Lila and her friends found the perfect blend of learning and laughter. In their magical town, where creativity knew no bounds, each day was a new adventure, and each game with Fluffly was a treasure to be cherished forever.